Hello everybody and welcome back to the Randomized Nuzlocke. I am poisoned. I forgot about that. And we have enough steps to go to the Pokémon Center. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Well, that didn't kill her. Catching a bit of a cold. At least a cough. You know, I don't think I'm gonna go to, I don't think I'll be going to, what's it called, to, challenge the gym just yet. I'm first gonna just deliver that letter, and how much Pokeballs do I even have? Although, maybe I just need to find some more Pokeballs. I feel like I should try to catch another Pokemon with an old rod here, because you never know what you can catch, and all the Pokemon are always at level 17. And I have to grind, and I have to go back to the mainland to grind anyway. So I'm just gonna find some more Pokeballs and level up my Pokemon some. Make sure that Snoop Dogg's on a higher level than he is right now. Not so fast. You're gonna walk off. Okay. Well, let's go find some items then. I'm probably going to have to fight those trainers after those cut bushes. Oh, George. Your death was not in vain. You bite. Oh, I just noticed that Mirage also learned Feint Attack. That will be pretty useful for hard-to-hit targets. Well, let's just see what's behind these. If there's any Pokeball or Great Ball or, I don't know, maybe a Master Ball, who knows. An X Defend. That's useless because I can't use items in battle. Wait, this lady gives you a Miracle Seed, right? Oh, neat. The batch from Rustboro Gym. You must be a trainer. You should try. Yeah, still a Miracle Seed. Ah, fuck. But I bet there's like Item Finder or just a normal item ball over there. But I bet there's like a lot of... A Mudkip? You can catch Mudkips here? Oh man. Fuck, I would have wanted a Mudkip. I mean, I could have chosen one, but Trapinch was cooler. So, well, a Mudkip would have been cool. So. A Max Revive. Well, that is useless. I think in case we find revives, because we're not gonna use those anyway. I think we should. There should be a rule that I can exchange these for other items. I mean, items that you're never going to use should be able to exchange these for other items, but only the ones that you're never gonna use, like revives. This seems like a spot. Yup. Oh, Hyper Potion. That's a bit too much for me, actually. Where are the items at? Oh, well, I'm here again. Sometimes there are things on the ground even if you can't see them. Alright, onwards to the bush near the cave. We're growing. I should probably put Snoop Dogg in front. Oh, you know, Sweet Scent, that's... I don't know, it's a lot more... It's of course a lot more useful in newer games with all the stuff. Oh, no, Absorb, Sweet Scent, and Poison Powder. That kinda sucks. Let's see what I can teach him. I could teach him Cut, like, again, another one, but... I don't know. Should I? I mean, Cut is a pretty good move. For it's a good basic move, at least. Like, in early game, Cut is a pretty good move. Snoop Dogg ain't ready for this shit, so I'm gonna send out Mirage. This is pretty good first experience for him. Kill him. No, I said kill him. Almost there. There we go. There we go. I think we got a lot of experience for this, like 143? Yeah, 143. Whoa! Whoa, 2 levels at once. Oh, I forgot there were items up here too, like, yeah, like in the patches. And a great ball, that would have come in handy. And here's a Pokémon. A Regirock? Holy shit! Oh, this one will be easy for Snoop Dogg. Use Absorb. Oh man, health damage gone immediately. Wonder what he's gonna do about it. Oh ho ho! Oh no 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 no! Don't die from this, please. Ho ho! Ho! That was close. Close one. There's a full heal here, and I think there's like 2 or 3 items here. Like, not every patch of empty stuff has another thing. You get what I mean. Okay, now I'm just gonna immediately switch out to Needle. She also needs some training. Yeah, Cut. I think Cut is Needle's most powerful move at the moment. Or actually, is it? Wait, let me check that. Sorry if I'm bothering you with nerd stuff. I just want to know for sure. Okay, Absorb is 20 damage with the added stab damage. It does 30. It's 30 base damage. Cut is 50. So, and well, their attack and special attack are about the same. So yeah, Cut is the stronger. When you're not facing anything that's weak to grass, Cut is the stronger. Calcium. And what's over here? Nothing. Is there anything in that patch of grass? Oh, whoa, a Swellow. My talks get interrupted by awesome Pokemon a lot. Yeah, Mirage is the only one who can handle that Swellow, I think. I mean, they have Peck, right? And Focus Energy, of course. Yes! That's something I like to see. Okay, now did I check this one? Yeah, I might have, but there may have not been any items in it anyway. This woman still give me berries, like you. Trying to be like ambitious or growing flowers too. Berry. Well, that's a healing item. I can use that. Okay, we'll be going through the city. But wait, what's behind this bush? It's a big pearl. Oh, right. Did I get something from here? Nope. Still uncollected. That item was still uncollected. Found one Stardust. And we're here in the training route. And training's coming to us in the form of a love disc. This should be easy for Doggy Dog. Even if he's charmed. Yeah! And is he completely healed? Yes. I love moves like Absorb. I don't have to use healing items. And I also love how in the newer games they added moves that aren't grass and still heal you. Let's see what this is. This is a Kirlia. Can Snoop Dogg handle that? I don't think so. He's also part poison, so I don't think I should do that. Go Needle. Go. Oh shit! That was not the thing I meant to do. So it would have been a lot more effective if it was the 6th generation. Uh-oh. You can't avoid the poison. At least it poisoned her. Every mistake gives... Oh, shit. Here we go. Uh-oh. Just noticed that Kirlium has a thigh gap. Is that weird of me to notice? Am I creepy? Well, yeah, of course I am. But yeah, there's some items up there. Am I able to rest you or something? Because in this house there was something I knew. Furniture without use, tunneling across Duford, Slayport, and Marville. The rest of the tunnel here, boring machinery. Turned out we had negative wild Pokemon, but lol. Okay, you can stop now. Is any one of you gonna give me items? No? Okay then. No, I'm not gonna go into a double battle with these guys. That's a bit too dangerous. So I'll just fight them one by one. I think they also have lower level Pokemon. Feebas. That'll be easy for Snoop Dogg. Well, almost. Wonder when he's gonna learn any new moves. Alright, now a Swinub. I think you can survive that. It's neutral damage. And, oh, super effective. Seems that grass isn't, like, not very effective to ice. Like, ice isn't resistant to grass, apparently. Except if Swinub isn't an ice type yet. Ah, it doesn't matter, she used a full restore anyway. Come on. There we go. He's dead. Snoop Dogg is growing fast. Next. When you lay your eyes on a Pokemon's gorgeous fur, their beauty will render you helpless. Oh. Not so sure about that, yo. Ace Trainer Jill. C-Dot. Oh, I should really teach Gloom like a neutral move. Oh yeah, Poison Sting will work. See? One hit kill. And a Silcoon. That'll just be cut. Uh-oh. How do you miss that? It's freaking a stationary cocoon. Come on now. Don't make this one of these battles. There we go. Level 16. When are you gonna learn anything new? Oh, baby, say it isn't so. Oh, no, you messed up my Pokemon's fur. You've ruined my hairdo, too. Let's call my stylist now. Wimp. Oh, yes, another gray ball. That's something I like to see. Yeah, everybody's healthy enough to fight these. Ah, look. I wonder if I'll be able to go through. Yeah, wait. What am I thinking? Of course I'll be able to go through. Hey, kid. Oh, servant. Oh, God. They got underage servants. Another Feebas. See these a lot. Which is good, because I can easily kill them with Absorb. There we go. And it's locked off in school. So what? Yeah, sure. Do you have random trainer descriptions too? My knowledge rules, yeah, that's still like the same. Alright, what about you? Let me teach you how strong my adorable Pokemon is. Oh, it's Zubat. Adorable. Yeah, Needle, I suppose. Although, Zubats don't know any flying moves yet, right? Well, they know bug moves, but that barely does anything. See? There we go. Juggler Sonia. You're a notch above me. Are you gonna ask my number? No. Oh, the Chesto berries are no longer there. Not that I really need them, but oh well. And I found a Pokeball. Oh, I'm getting lucky with these. Let's see, how much Pokeballs do I have right now? 3 Great Balls, 1 Pokeball. I think that'll work in my next capture. I just have to train my Pokemon a little bit more. And what better to do that in a place where they have wild Salamanders? Let's see what we find. And a Azumarill. That'll be easy for Snoop. Okay. So, we're gonna just go out and speed this thing up and grind my Pokemon. What? No, 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 no. Don't do this to me right now. Come on. Oh my god. Must you do this to me? Come on, game. Why do you throw this at me? Good thing he's only using Scary Face. I hope I can defeat him. And this is a lot of experience too. Whoa, no, 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 no. Don't do that much damage. Yeah. I mean, he might be Rayquaza, but he's also just level 6, which is like 1/3 of my level. There we go. Wasn't even that much experience points. Anyway, back to the speed up. Sleep powder, huh? Well then. I think it's better than Stun Spore. And also better than Sweet Scent, because Sweet Scent does absolutely jack squat. And, yeah, I might also replace one of Snoop Dogg's moves with Cut. It's a useless move, but it's good in the early game. And, well, I might, at least. Snoop Dogg's level 18. Anyway, I just need to train Needle a little bit, and then Mirage a little bit, and then we're gonna try and catch a new Pokemon. Yeah, I think this should be enough. Now, let's go ahead and catch a Pokemon. So, or at least see what's in store for us. Well, when I get there. The moment I get there. Alright, that item exchange thing, I'm gonna make that a reality. I'm just gonna sell a max revive, and maybe, do I have other revives? I don't think so. I'm gonna sell my max revive, and the money I get for it I'll spend on Pokeballs. I think, yeah, that gives me 10 Pokeballs. You know what? I could write it down. Wait 1 second. I need to check something, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, so Slateboard has Great Balls, so I'm just gonna write it down that I'll buy 1 Pokeball, then I have 1,800 whatever currency is in Pokemon left. I'll have 1800 yen left, and I'll use that to buy 3 Great Balls, because Great Balls cost 600 yen each. Oh, this guy is a Charmander. I see, that's nice. I wasn't really paying attention to what he was. Oh, it's Chef Donna. Cool. Now, I think I'll be able to catch something here. Just, I need to be extra careful. Now, Snoop Dogg has sleep powder and like paralyze stuff thing, so I think I might be able to actually catch this. I'll register this. Yeah. Nope, that's... Come on, man, you're not even trying. Come on, man. There we go. Oh, what's it gonna be? Another Earth Ring? No, it's a Caterpie. Oh man, could have gone. Butterfree is good, I guess. I suppose a Butterfree is a pretty good choice for next gym. No, wait. There's of course it's probably not even a fighting gym. And I guess this one will be easy to catch. If I just sleep powder him now, I can catch him in a normal Pokeball. All right. Always the Pokemon that are super awesome are the ones that I cannot catch. I mean, I would have loved that Ursaring. But oh well, I guess a Butterfree is nice too. Especially if it just goes into a Pokeball immediately. I like that. Although, there's another Pokemon. I'm able to catch more Pokemon up there. Alright, what do we call this one? It's a Butterfree. What do I call you? Butts. Butts? Nah. I'm just gonna call you Mothra, I think. Even though you're a butterfly instead of a moth, I'm just gonna call you Mothra. All right. Now to the east of Dewford Town. There's also some Pokemon to catch. See, Route 107. Now, let's whip out our rods. Come on now. Come on, whatever Pokemon is in there, nibble on my rod. Oh, yes. A seal! Oh, that is nice. I love it. Though I might accidentally kill it. Sleep powder. Is seal already water ice, or is it just ice? Well, hang on, let me check that. Nope, it's apparently just water. So I gotta be extra careful. I'm just gonna use Needle's poison powder, poison sting, and I hope that the seal doesn't wake up right now. Yeah, use poison sting. Don't kill him at once. Oh yes, that's a stable amount of damage that won't kill him. Although he might wake up. Yeah, that actually would be nice. Yes. Alright, now back to Snoop Dogg so we can put him to sleep or paralyzes, whichever I prefer. I think sleep will work better. And now let's catch this guy. I think a Pokeball will work. I'm confident a Pokeball will work. Come on, Pokeball, go! Stay in there. Yes. Yes! Seal was got. Hunts for prey in frigid, ice-covered seas. When it needs to breathe, it punches a hole with a sharply protruding section on its head. I think that's called a horn. What do we call a... what do we call... I'm just gonna call you Water Dog. I mean, why not? Wait, we got Snoop Dogg and we got Water Dog. Yes. Oh, it has a held item. A heal powder. That's an uncommon held item. Well, let's check these guys' moves. He has Headbutt and Growl, and this one has Tackle and String Shot. Alright then, I think this concludes... Oh? It's Zoe. Roxanne chewed me out in class today, but I didn't dislike her or anything. Roxanne tells me necessarily what I didn't wrong. We can't clear him from this. Jesus, Zoe, if only I cared. I think this just about concludes our recording session of today. Goodbye, everybody.